Here we are. This was a wonderful experience making these. They're honey barbecue sweet glaze sticky chicken wings. You all, I've got to share this with you all. It doesn't take long. Come on, let's go do this. Let's cook with these. I'm just kind of testing something out. I've seen that you can barbecue chicken on the stove top. I'm wondering if you're interested in seeing how to do this. It looks and smells delicious. Ooh, Lord have mercy. I'll be right back to show you some of the next steps. It's looking good. Alright guys, this was just something I was throwing together, and I really like the way that it's turned out. So I just wanted to share this with you. Look at how all the juices have cooked out, and it's really beautiful. So, well, not all of the juices, but a lot of the juices. So what I'm going to do now, I'm sorry I'm using my hand instead of my tripod. I'm going to transfer this chicken into this pan here, because now I'm going to apply the barbecue sauce. Now I want you to see some of the ingredients that I used. I'm getting ready to put, I use onion powder, garlic powder, lemon juice, this sweet soy glaze gives it a good flavor, some barbecue sauce, and some W sauce. Now, I'm going to put all this into this pan over here, and I'm going to show you the next step. It really smells good. Please forgive me for doing this by hand, but I'm going to start. This is something I'm using also. I'm going to start seasoning the meat before I put it under the grill. Put some onion powder. I already seasoned it once, but I just want some more. A little more garlic powder. Let me use my other hand. Oh, I need my tripod. Then I'm going to pour the barbecue sauce on it. It was kind of noisy. Okay, let me get this on here. Barbecue sauce. I'm going to use this. This sauce is called, it's a sweet soy glaze. It gives it a really, really good flavor. It's going to come out kind of sticky and good. And I'm going to add, I'm sorry you guys, I wasn't planning on taping this, but some honey. It's coming together. And put some lemon juice for some tangy flavor. Then I'm going to put, last thing is W sauce. Just sprinkle a little bit on there. Alright, I'm going to mix this all up and show you what it looks like. I'm going to put this under the grill for about 5 minutes. First I'm going to coat it all. I'll be back. It's all ready to go into the oven. I'm going to grill it for 5 minutes so it can get nice and crispy. And I added some sesame seeds to it. I just keep on finding things to put on this because this is just another way of trying something out. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, give me a little over 3 minutes, maybe about 5, and I'll be right back. Ooh, look at these. They're under the grill. Y'all, I'm getting ready to take them out. They look so good. I'm so excited. All right, I'll be right back. Hot dog. Oh my gosh. These look so... I wish you could smell these, you all. I'm going to plate these up. This was a total experiment. Dang, my mouth is watering. I can't even talk. All right, I will be right back. Make these beautiful for you.